Please welcome to the stage Carrie Burke, President, 20th Television.
Good evening. On behalf of everyone at 20th Television, Disney-branded television, and Hulu, welcome to the world premiere of Malcolm in the Middle, Life's Still Unfair. There are very few shows in the history of television that arrive and immediately feel like nothing we've ever seen before. Malcolm in the Middle was one of them. Over 7 seasons, the show earned a Peabody Award, 7 Emmys, and a Grammy. Now, more than 20 years later, this groundbreaking show is back. And at the center of this new chapter is a question so many of us can relate to. Does growing up mean growing apart? Exploring that question brought this incredible group of collaborators back together. And I want to take a moment to thank the many people who made this return possible. To our original cast, you brought a family back to us that still feels so unmistakably relevant and beloved. And to the remarkable new talents joining them, you didn't just step into an iconic world, you beautifully expanded it, and I can't wait for you to meet them. To our extraordinary creative team, Lynwood Boomer, Tracy Kaczmarek, Dale Berman, and Bryan Cranston. Our director, Ken Kwapis, Jane Kaczmarek, and our partners at New Regency, thank you for bringing this story back with such care. To my friend Io Davis, who is unfortunately back in Los Angeles tonight with laryngitis, which is why I'm up here, and Charlie Andrews at Disney Branded, thank you. And to the entire team at Disney Branded Television, we are so proud to be in this with you. And to Carolyn Cassidy and Tom Keenan from 20th Television, who love this show as if it's about their own family. And to Dana Walden, Deborah O'Connell, who's here with us tonight, Craig Erwick, Joe Early, and Shannon Ryan, all who championed this show from the very beginning. Thank you. Now, I want to take a moment to circle back to the person who started it all. More than 25, just heard him say, oh God, backstage. More than 25 years ago, he imagined a boy named Malcolm. Too smart for his own good, stuck in the middle of a family that drove him crazy. He based that family on his own life, and in doing that, who knew he'd be giving the entire world a family that felt just like their own. So please join me in welcoming to the stage the Emmy-winning creator and executive producer of Malcolm in the Middle, Lynwood Boomer.
Before we started this whole thing, I had been very happily out of show business for quite a few years. So naturally, I felt some trepidation going back. But honestly, working on this project has been a real joy, thanks to my friends at New Regency and 20th and Disney. And they really are my friends. Like, most of them have been stinking drunk at my house. I really need to thank my producing partners, Gail Berman, Bryan Cranston, Jimmy Simons, Ken Kwapis, and Tracy Kaczmarek. Our kids, Rowan and Logan, are here tonight, which is great for me because now it's officially too late for them to give me any more notes. And before I bring out our stars, I just want to say personally, I could not be happier or more proud to be part of this shameless cash grab.
thank you, Lynwood Boomer, for putting this together. And yeah, this was something that I kind of tickled with him a little while ago. About 12 years ago, I said, you know, maybe a 10-year reunion movie. What do you think? He said, absolutely not. And I said, but okay. And then a year later, I said, well, what about now? And he said, well, I don't think so. But we were making progress. So finally, you know, I annoyed him so much that he said, well, if he comes up with a great idea, then he could see it happening. And we are all the beneficiaries of the great idea. He has a terrific idea. We hope you will enjoy it. And to get back and to play the father with these guys again, and with my darling Jane, and it was just such a wonderful experience for us to come back after 20 years of saying goodbye. I think, you know, because Lynwood Boomer is the creator of the show, some people might call it a boomerang. Go ahead and say it, let's say it.
I said you stole that from me, you motherfucker. Lois is back.
We had a great time. It was hard work, as you'll see, but everything worthwhile does take a lot of hard work. And for this crew and Ken and Jimmy Simons and everybody and Lynwood, everybody working so hard, it's because good enough is not good enough. We had to do it again and again and again until we get it just right. And hopefully you'll feel that way. Thank you for joining us tonight. And you have anything else?
For once, Hal's talking more than Lois, but this has been, I know the word gift is often used, and surreal is often used, and waking up from a coma can often be used, but this has been really the most remarkable thing. I was literally ironing in Pasadena, something I love to do. And
pillowcases. We learned that today. Pillowcases.
Pillowcases.
Yes.
I like easy things. But this call comes, you know, that we're very likely going to do this again, and it was, who in the world? It was just the greatest news we could hear. And these boys are all fathers now, in the age that Bryan and I were when we started the show. And my 3 children are grown, and our kids are grown, and these little punks have children of their own. So it's family. It's great. We were stunned also that people around the world love this show so much. So nothing makes us happier than coming back and doing a couple episodes together.
Yeah. And you can get Jane's autobiography, Ironing in Pasadena, out in the lobby.
Who likes to iron here? David irons.
Okay. All right. Before
God.
we lose you all,
Meditation.
thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you have a great time and watching. Life is still unfair.
All right, please enjoy it.
Thanks, everybody.